Hey everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So do you want to know how to make a really quick and really trendy pair of earrings in about 2 minutes? Come and watch me make them. You'll see how fast and easy they are. So today I'm going to show you how to make these super quick and super cute sueded heart earrings. And you can see that we only have a few little parts here. So let's get started. So first of all, I have some 3mm faux suede cording. I have a couple rings. I have a couple little tiny jump rings, 2 charms, and a pair of ear wires. So I'm going to cut a piece of suede about 6 inches. I'm going to cut 2 of those. All right, now I'm going to take that and sort of fold it in half and place it up through one of the rings. And I'm going to take the ends and just go up through the little loop. And that's called a lark's head knot. And just make sure that it's all nice and not twisted or anything. And you're going to pull that kind of tight. Now I'm going to take one of the tiny jump rings and open that up. I'm going to go through the top of the charm, and I'm going to come up through this little loop. Make sure that's poking out there a little bit. Grab hold of it and close it up. Now I don't want to see that little loop there, or sorry, the cut in the loop, so I'm going to take it and turn it under like that. Then I'm going to take this and pull it nice and snug. I don't want these to come apart, so I'm going to pull really snug, make sure that's where I want it, and put on my ear wire. Pop that in there. Do it up nice and tight. And then I'm going to trim these both at the same time. I find it easier to trim at the same time. And see how fast that was. Just seconds to make a pair of earrings. So fold that in half, put it up through the ring, put the ends up through the loop, and pull that tight. You don't want to pull it so tight that you can't get your jump ring up there, so make sure you leave just a little bit of wiggle room, and then you can always tighten it up after you get your charm on there. So open up your jump ring, put it through the charm, and put it up through the little loop. Got to get a good hand hold on there. Now you're going to just pivot that so that you don't see the opening on the jump ring, and then pull that nice and tight. And I give it a really good pull. Then I'm going to put my ear wire on. Make sure they're going the right direction. Then I'm going to line them up on top of each other. Make sure they're even. Now you can make these as short or as long as you like. I'm going to put them about there. And there you go. So in just minutes, we have a really cute pair of trendy earrings. Leather is on trend. There we go. So there's your sueded heart earrings. So make sure if you like this video that you like it, that you comment below. I always try to get back to people that leave comments. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.